my brother had called me and he was like, Omolara, have you ever thought about joy? Like, what just brings you joy? I did this workshop before with a few women, other Black women in healthcare. And it was kind of like, how do you carve out your purpose from your past? And how do we find the things that we found successful and use those as touch points to help us see what's the theme where we feel that are most meaningful, I should say. For me, it was always being able to support families, being able to support and mentor other women who look like me.
On this episode, I'm excited to bring to you Dr. Omolara Uwemedimo. She is a healthcare, social entrepreneurship, and funding consultant who specializes in healthcare practices that are committed to achieving health equity in underserved communities. She spent nearly 2 decades working as a global pediatrician in low-income countries and over a decade as a public health researcher and professor, where she secured over $2 million in grant funding. In less than 18 months, she and her co-founders secured more than $650,000 in funding for Strong Children Wellness, her own social impact, multi-practice healthcare network that uses comprehensive and tech-enabled physical health, mental health, and social care services within community-based organizations to serve marginalized and historically excluded youth and families.
Our framework was that we needed to have social needs met, physical health needs met, and mental health needs met. Making money is not that hard, or getting money is not that hard. And the abundance of there is a lot of money, right? And just being able to be clear about your values. Like, we knew very clearly, like, we didn't want to incur more debt. We didn't know if we wanted to exit or become a public offering or anything like that. And knowing that there are different opportunities and a plethora of different ways to make money, as long as you're clear about your framework on how you're supporting people. So just get clarity. Don't feel like you have to do it the way everyone else has done it.